Showcasing ice. Let's check. Positive, it's not it's elemental. Saba M1. First move literal light. Ice Pierce. And then second move is outside. Third move is Iceberg. Last move you will unlock for 100 mastery. Glacier at ito. The first move is 1 mastery. Second is 25. Third is 50. Last is 100. So, M1 with grinding. I command for grinding. But let's check if you can walk on water. Awakening and unawakening. Oh, why did I slow down? You can still walk on water. That's all it. Bye.